MDB stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Mongodb stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short video till the end. Having done 37,000 videos and invested 5 figures in courses and mentors, I know what's making me money specifically and what's not. And, you know, the way of trading, how I'm trading and everything. It's a skill set. I mean, overall last week, I know we fell down quite hard and nothing that I was not kind of expecting. I mean, generally speaking, I'm already kind of, I'm ready for it, you know, like, you can see I have a line pointing towards the downside, which by any means doesn't mean that I'm short selling when tomorrow opens. All I'm really looking at is this thing is like a correction phase. And the only thing that's not going to be in this correction phase is if I see a full range break. And in this case, for me, the only thing that will matter is a break above 280 bucks, right? And if that doesn't happen, I mean, it's all good. What I'm not going to sit here and do is just trying to assume, you know, where the price will go, you know? So yeah, let me know what is your opinion. I'll keep you updated, so stay tuned. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple way in just weeks, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.